We're going to pull apart here in West Nashville to get some parts. If you guys are interested, stay tuned. Hey everybody, how's it going? It is John, and you guys know me as Turning Wrenches here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a good one so far. I'm heading to pull apart here in Nashville, Tennessee. Well, West Nashville, where it's located. I have to get some parts for my truck, and I'm going to try to see if I can find a rotor for Big Red, my 94 Dodge Dakota with the 3.9 liter engine. It needs, somehow the caliper got stuck. It moves when you take the bleeder screw out and you're able to push the piston back, the caliper piston back in. For some reason, I don't know why it got stuck. I don't know if I didn't grease the slide pins, but anyhow, it tore up the rotor real bad. And I was going to go get it brand new, but they want $108 at O'Reilly's, where I normally go get my parts at. No. I can go to, I looked it up, if I can get a rotor with the hub, it'll be $23 and some change, and with the $5 cord charge, which I'm bringing the rotor and hub with me, so I'm going to go change that out and save the $5. So anyhow, I'm driving there right now to pull apart, and fortunately I'm driving with all the semi-trucks and dump trucks here in my way at the moment. But anyhow, let me flip the camera back around. Anyhow, I'm going to get some road in between me, and I'll put the camera back on while I'm there when I pull up the pull apart. So, see you guys in a few seconds. Okay guys, we're here. Oh, it's windy today, so I apologize for the wind ahead of time. There we are, pull apart. Do yourself, use auto parts. You guys probably can't see it from there, but there we are. Alright, let's go and there's the rotor I gotta take back. As you guys can see it by all the scratches and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead, get myself in there, go get checked in and pay the $1 to get in there, and then I'll bring you guys in there when we start looking around for parts. Okay guys, I'm here at this is pull apart. I already got in. I didn't have no issue getting in like I did with LKQ. But before I show you the Dodge Dakota I went to, which their list is not updated on their computer to get in, let me show you this right here next to me. It's an old Dodge Ram, but the one with the Mitsubishi engine on it. They're kind of cool truck. What it had on there, 148 on the clock. So you guys, this real quick here before I do what I gotta do here. The Mitsubishi Motors Corporation. My mom had a truck like this, but hers was a Mighty Max one. Pretty cool truck there. That's nice. Still got the grill. Got the old wheels. Well, the wheels have seen better days. Ooh, excuse the wind. Show you guys real quick. Nice truck. Anyhow, what I'm here for is on this one right here. It's a 92, which they didn't show it in the listing on the computer there when you first walk in. Hopefully enough, this one's got the hub. But I have to pull the wheel off there to see. Tires look good. Anyway, I gotta pull this off real quick, so I'm gonna set you guys up real quick, and we'll look and see what's going on here. And it was an automatic. Had 206,000, so this one had less than my truck. I like the seats. I like that. It's got the Ram logo on it. That's cool. So this was running back in 2018. Then, okay. Manuel windows. like the little carpet insert. Seat belts. Anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and get this off real quick. I'll get you guys set up, and then we'll see if we can get this thing apart. So, bring you guys back in a second. Okay, get you guys set up. See if we can pull this thing off. Pull all this off. So I'm gonna take me a while. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off here real quick. Bring you guys back. I gotta pull this off here. 7 hex. I'm going to pull this stuff off of here to get this. So let me go ahead and get this hub off of here, and we'll be ready to go. Let me show you guys this truck. This is cool. It's a 91, but look at the bumper stickers I got on it. Make cornbread, not war. God bless Dusty Hill. This one, Doug Head. That's pretty cool as well. Dodge Dakota, 1991. I've already pulled some stuff I needed off of here. I'm going to tell you right now. These had some aftermarket clear lights, which I grabbed them because one of mine is kind of broke, and I kind of, I fixed it. But eventually I know it's going to break, so I'm just going to go ahead and get another pair, and they're clear. I wanted this one because mine is broke, but as you can see, this tab is broke off of there, and I don't know where it's at, so I'm not going to worry about wasting money on that. This truck had 227,000 miles. Had the old Chrysler radio, manual windows, all that. Let's see, 1990 it was made in. 91. It's a nice old rig. Like I said, I like the bumper sticker. Make cornbread, not war. It said God bless Dusty Hill. It was from Cairo, Illinois. Look at this one. Blow up your TV, John Prine. Boyette's Dining Room, Reelfoot Lake sticker. A catfish. That's cool. What's this? Some kind of lighter? Something. Anyway, I got the aftermarket lights here. These are aftermarket, but that's cool. They're clear lens, so I don't know. I might have to get orange bulbs for them though if I use them. Because that's the only problem with that. It's clear. It's gonna look a little odd. I'll have to see. I'll have to look into getting some orange lights for it then if I do. Sorry for this wind today as well. I'm not gonna be here too much longer. I got the hub off of here, not this truck, another truck, because the driver's side one, the bolt was stripped for the caliper slide, so I had to pull it off the passenger side there. I'll show you guys that one there. So I had to pull the pin off, and I got the hub I needed. I just have to clean off the rust with the wire wheel. That's no big deal there. So I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna look around for a little bit more, but I'm not gonna be here too much longer because I'm here on my birthday. At the time of filming this is January 19th, 2023. My birthday is today. I turned 38 years old today. So I'm out here on my birthday getting parts for vehicles. So anyhow, if I see anything else interesting, I'll pull back the camera on and show you guys that. So let me just look around here. I was going to show you guys something off this car, but I just wanted to show you something that it's carnage, but it's real bad carnage, and I'm going to show you guys real quick. It's this one right here. It was a 2007 Kia Optima, and oofta. Oh wow. She got hit pretty bad. That's rough. I hope whoever was in it was okay. Just wanted to see what it looked like. Good Lord. Like I said, I hope they made it out okay, whoever it was driving this vehicle. I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. That was kind of wild. So anyway, let me go back to I just wanted to show you guys that. I just wanted to show you guys this. I thought this was pretty cool. This it's a 2001 Toyota Camry, but I've never seen one with a soft top on it, like a vinyl top. That's kind of odd. Sorry for the wind noise. This looks like it's custom, but is it by the screws? I don't know. It's got some nice interior in it. Let me show you guys this real quick. Get you guys out of the wind. Look at this. I actually don't smell bad in here. Kind of weird for all the vehicles I've been into. Old school tape deck, CD player. I mean, I got an aftermarket one in mine, but you know, if I had to put an old school tape deck, I don't know if I put it in there. I don't know yet. But glove box, nothing in it. Got some carpet mats. Looks like they came from my work. I've never seen one like this. With the little, this is, no, they added this stuff on here because look at all the screws they did to this to put this on here. So they added this top. Honestly, I don't like it personally. I'm looking at something because my radiator is kind of leaking on top. I don't know if I would get one from the junkyard though, honestly. I don't know. I gotta look into it. I can get one for like $88 new. So, I don't know. I'll have to think about it. I do need one. I thought this was pretty cool. I wanted to show you guys this Toyota Camry 01. And it had the soft top on it with a heart. That was pretty cool. So I don't think there's anything I need off of this one. It looks like they had a handle that busted at one time. Here. I'm just curious about something. How good is the gas cap on this thing? Loose. Okay, never mind. Thought maybe I need one for my car. Okay. Well, anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this. I thought that was cool. So, yeah, 01 Toyota Camry with the registration was still good on it. Thought it was pretty cool. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this anyway. So, go back to searching. Alright guys, well unfortunately I couldn't do much filming. The wind is just like heck today. to do anything, and I couldn't really, get down there and show me wrenching, getting it what I needed. But I did get those lights, those clear marker lights. There, I need the amber lights, the little amber things on the side, but that one was broke like I showed you, so it was no use to me getting that. But anyhow, I got the warranty, I think, for the hub, just in case I gotta bring it back, which I hope not. So that was actually $16 for that. $16.57 with the $3 core charge, which I brought the core with me, so I didn't have to worry about that. And then those marker lights, unfortunately, they were $11 a piece, so that was 22 and some change. So, and of course, like everything else, I almost spent like 50 bucks just for 3 items. Go figure on that one. Anywho, I'm gonna head back to the house now, and then I'm gonna try to put. I actually gotta go get brakes for my car too. So one thing after another I need to do. So I guess I need to go do that also. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some brake pads at O'Reilly's, and then I'm gonna head back to the house. So it's not much of a video, but it's a video. Maybe I'll come up here when it's not much wind and I can film. So anyhow, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it as always. Keep on turning those wrenches, y'all. I'll see you guys on the next video. And y'all take care.